peach salad. We're doing 2 peaches. Slice, slice, slice. This is one of my favorite salads to make at my supper club. All right, so I'm going to assemble my salad now, and I'm using smoked Gouda cheese. And I like using Gouda cheese because it adds a little bit of savory, hearty flavor without being overpowering. Add my sliced peaches. And then I've got my pecans. I don't want just plain pecans in my salad. I want candied pecans. Oh. I'm going to make my dressing in a mason jar. A little bit of olive oil, Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, honey, and 1 chopped shallot. Give it a little shake. That looks good to me.